Hi everyone! Today I'm showing you how to make the perfect royal icing for building gingerbread houses, so your walls stay up and your roofs stay put. So let's get started. The most important part of gingerbread house icing is consistency. This icing needs to be thick but not too stiff and very strong. Not as thick as the firm consistency and not too soft as the outlining or flooding consistency icing. Let's start with half cup of firm consistency icing plus 1 tablespoon of filtered water. And now we're going to stir very well until all the water is well combined into the icing. The consistency that you're looking for needs to be a little soft, so when you put it in the walls of your gingerbread houses, you have the ability to move each piece before setting them where you want them to be. But at the same time, it needs to be a little harder so it can dry faster. And here you have it. This is the right consistency that I like to use when I'm going to build gingerbread houses. It is always recommended to test the icing before building your houses. Now that we have our icing consistency ready, let's tint this icing. Okay, to tint the icing, I like to use food gel color. This gel will help to maintain the structure of your icing. And I like to start by adding a little bit of bug eye brown food gel color and mix very well. And if you want to learn how to make the perfect royal icing, please check the class that I have here on Etsy, and you can find them in the carousel product. And now I am going to add a few drops of Christmas red food gel color. I always like to match the color of the icing with the color of my cookies. It looks quite there, but I think I need to add a little bit more of the brown food gel color. Always mix very well so all the food gel color is well combined into the icing, and always you need to do this very fast because you know this icing dries very fast. And I also recommend to have ready the pastry bag that you're going to use. And our royal icing is ready. Now the only thing that I need is to put it in a pastry bag, and I am going to use a tipless pastry bag. And here it is. My icing is ready to start building some gingerbread houses. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and you will see more holiday baking and gingerbread houses tutorials and much more.